Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, why don't I just buy a printer and make a few extra $100 bills? It sounds like the ultimate life hack, right? As a kid, if you've been told money doesn't grow on trees, you've probably wished you had a money tree at home. Today, we're diving into the big question, why can't we just print our own cash? To make it crystal clear, we're doing this explained like you're 5. That's right, we're stripping away the boring banking jargon and looking at the simple logic of why DIY dollars would actually ruin everything.
So if the government can print money, why can't you? Let's break down the 5 biggest reasons this plan would backfire, explained like you're 5.
Imagine you're at a party with 10 friends and there's only one cupcake. That cupcake is super valuable. Now, imagine a truck shows up and dumps 1 million cupcakes on the lawn. Suddenly, nobody cares about cupcakes anymore. They're everywhere. Money works the same way. If everyone has a basement full of cash, money isn't special anymore. When money is everywhere, prices go up. This is called inflation. If you printed $1,000 to buy a new TV, the store owner would eventually realize everyone else is doing the same thing. Since he has a limited number of TVs and everyone has fake money, he'll just change the price of the TV to $10,000. You didn't actually get richer, you just made the numbers bigger. Money is basically a giant IOU from the government. People accept it because they trust the government to keep it rare. If you start printing it in your pajamas, that trust disappears. Without trust, that paper is just paper. It's like trying to use monopoly money at the grocery store. It only works if everyone agrees it has value. In the finance world, making your own money is called counterfeiting. It's a huge no-no. The Secret Service, yes, the people who protect the president, actually spends a lot of time making sure nobody is using home printers to make cash. If they catch you, it's not just a timeout, it's a very long stay in a place with orange jumpsuits. The world runs on people doing things for each other. If everyone could print money, why would anyone bake bread, fix cars, or deliver mail? If no one works because they have unlimited money, there's nothing to buy with that money anyway. So there you have it. We can't print money because if we did, the money would become worthless, the stores would be empty, and we'd all end up in a lot of trouble. Even though it's explained like you're 5, the lesson is for adults. Value doesn't come from the paper. It comes from the work and the trust behind it. So until they invent a literal money tree, we're stuck with the old-fashioned way of earning it.